Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we send files or attachment on a Google Chat. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat. We can find the Google Chat on the home screen. You just need to slide into the left side of your screen and until you found a app library and just type a Google Chat here. Okay. And after you find it, you just need to click it to open. And now you already open your Google Chat. For the next, you just need to decide which or who you will send the files or attachment to. For example, I want to send it to my friends. And the next thing you have to do for sending the file is just go by clicking this plus button in this downside here. And after that, there will be like several options that you can access. If you want to send the photos, you just need to click the photos. If you want to access the camera, you just need to click access the camera. Get GIF. You can also send the med link. You can access the drive and many more. Since you want to send files, just need to click file so that okay. And after you found the files, you just need to click open. And now you can do typing for another information that you want to share. Okay, and after you're done for typing the information, you just need to click this by to send the files. That's all the way how do we send files in a Google Chat. If you find that this tutorial is get useful, well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.